In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable or disable the disk write caching on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click on the start button, select device manager. Once the device manager window is elevated, simply locate the disk drives. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then all you have to do is you need to make a right click and then go to properties. Then go to the Policies tab, which is the second tab there, and here you'll find the option Enable Write Caching on the device. Improve system performance by enabling write caching on the device, but a power outage or equipment failure may result in data loss or corruption. So, in order to enable the disk write caching, simply check the option. And if you want to disable the disk write caching, simply uncheck the option. Okay, so that's it. And you just need to simply click on OK. So that's the easy way on how you can enable or disable the disk write caching on your Windows 11. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.